Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by WA Gold hopeful Bardoc Gold, ASX code BDC. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the CEO of Bardoc Gold, Rob Ryan. Hi, Rob.
Hi, Matt.
Okay, Rob, you recently tabled an optimisation study into your proposed Bardoc Gold project in the Goldfields of WA. Looks like that study has turbocharged the economics of that project somewhat. Tell me exactly what did your optimisation study look at and what was the outcome?
The optimisation study focused on bringing forward ounce production in the first 5 years of the project, and now we mine an additional 80,000 ounces by relocating the gold processing plant from the Excelsior Sarastron area up to the Aphrodite area.
So you're effectively going to mine Aphrodite first, is that what you're saying?
That's correct, and that allows us to get 150,000 ounces of production from year 3 in the operational life.
Okay, well, let's take a look at the project's projected economics after the optimisation study recommendations have been sucked up. Let me run through a few rapid-fire questions with you. Firstly, how much will it cost to build the Bardoc Gold mine?
It'll be around $230 million.
And how long will it take you to pay that capital back?
About 2.5 years.
And what's the initial modelled mine life?
9 years, and there's a lot of potential for expansion.
And what's the estimated total gold production over that initial period?
Is over 1 million ounces.
And importantly, how much free cash will it spit out over that initial 9 or 10 years?
$795 million at spot price today.
And what will it cost you to produce an ounce of gold?
$1,300 Australian an ounce.
Finally, have you wrapped a net present value around the project in today's money?
We have, and it's $524 million.
So what's the latest ore reserve and resource figures at Bardoc now?
So we have over 3 million ounces of resource at 1.8 grams a tonne and over 1 million ounces of reserve at 2 grams a tonne.
How are you planning to fund the mine, and when might we see an investment decision?
We've already got a number of indicative offers from banks, and we're expecting final investment decision by November of this year.
And assuming you do get into production, when are we likely to see a gold bar produced?
We expect to start construction in March quarter of next year, and it'll be March quarter of the following year that we'll have full gold production.
Rob Ryan from Bardoc Gold. Thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.